Hey there, this is a tutorial section to walk you through how to request for a service or a meal on the ServiHub All Platform application. Before you'd be able to make a request, you'd need to log in first onto the ServiHub application. You can use the login button found right here on the home screen, or you can use that found on the profile section right here. Tap on login/register. You'd be introduced to the login page. Enter your phone number and make sure you're logging in as a customer. Tap on continue to continue with the login process. You will be asked for a 6-digit OTP code, which will be sent to you through the mobile number that you entered. In this case, my OTP code is 935746. It automatically logs you in once the OTP is correct. Now, onto the interesting bit. You can use the search button over here to search for a vendor or a particular meal you would like. Okay, so to request for a meal, you tap on the particular vendor you'd like to request for the meal from. And the meals are going to be categorized into their various categories, so you can see noodles and rice. If you prefer the rice meals, you tap on rice, and it shows you the rice dishes available. Locate the meal you'd like, in this particular scenario, wache, and tap on add to cart. The pop-up modal is going to show you the various variants available. Select the variant you would like to purchase, either medium or large. In this case, I'd like the small variant since it's the cost-effective one. Once you're done, you can use this button to increment the number of meals you would like to purchase. In this case, I'll stick to 1. Now you can tap on add to cart. Now the item is successfully added to cart. You can tap on the items in cart button down here to visit your cart page. Once you're on this page, you'd have to choose if you'd be picking up the meal over here or you'd like it to be delivered to you. If it's delivery, you need to enter your location by tapping edit address. Select the location at which you'd want the meal to be delivered to. You can use the search location button up here to search for a particular place. So for example, Korikirch Kola Kosombo. And once you tap on it, it's going to take you to the particular location of the school. Now let's assume this is where I would want my meal to be delivered to. Or if I would want it to be delivered here, I could equally tap here and it's going to pick that location instead. Once you're done, you can tap on the save button down here. Now you've set your location. You'd also need to add a date and time that you would want the meal to be delivered to you by tapping the edit date and time button. Select a particular day, for example today, and then you select a time. Let's say I would want it to be delivered in the next hour or so. Once you're done, you select your payment mode. It's either through mobile money or cash on delivery. If you want the meal to be delivered to you, you would need to use mobile money to pay. Cash on delivery is only available for verified customers and also on pickup. I'll stick to mobile money. You can increment or decrement the amount of items by tapping on the plus or minus button. Now you can add an additional detail over here. For example, I do not like too much pepper. Down here you see a breakdown of the total costs that you have shown over here. The subtotal refers to the cost of the meal and the fees you pay is also down here. You can tap on purchase items if you're satisfied with everything. Proceed to continue. Once you're done, it's going to open a checkout section since you chose mobile money to be able to pay with mobile money. Tap on pay with mobile money. Enter the phone number you'd like to pay with. In this case, this particular phone number. Select a network and confirm. Now, you'd get the authorization message where you'd have to enter your Momo PIN on your mobile phone. Now that it is done, I am going to tap I've completed this payment. Awesome, the payment was successful. So you can now tap on done. Go back to your requests. And as you can see, my meal is initiated and it is processing order. That's all it takes to request for a service or a meal on the ServiHub All Service Application. And at this point, you'd have to wait for the vendor to accept and process your meal. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.